Today, we are going to show excerpts of Sushant's diary. What
Sushant's personal diary.
personal diary,
Accessed.
what a meticulous man. This was a man who had planned for everything, and this is his plan for 2020. It was not his plan to go away, leave this world, to be so dejected, to commit suicide in 2020. He was planning big things, Rahul.
Absolutely. His target was set on owning assets worth 50 crores, a Hollywood debut, and he had set teams who were going to carry out various functions. This man was so meticulous, and you know, people have told you about this in interviews, Navika, that he was absolutely meticulous. And you know, I don't know, but individuals who live a haphazard life, it's pretty obvious. But this individual, the sophistication with which he went about constructing these business plans, several pages of his diary accessed by Times Now. All of this, viewers, points, Navika, and let's, I think you should go up there.
I really want to show this on the big screen to our viewers, because, it's something that's written in his own hand, and after the man is not with us. I want you to see. These are pages of his diary. This is the page number 1. The first page, can I just have the first page? And I want to show you this. He's talking about making a production house. This will be a content generator, create, and it will be creative. And he says in 2020, I'll go to Hollywood. Hollywood plan in 2020 right here. Bollywood also, he has plans of making this production house, which will be very creative. He talks about top writers will be employed. There will be experienced and very radical thinking in-house people who will work on content, on scripts. One writer will have options, and options will be our creating and screening possibilities. And he also talks about the theme of
reporters.
An entire team of writers. He would do this, as a setup, as a professional setup. And he's talking about setting up a production house as a professional. He doesn't have any preconceived notions. He's not talking about any rishtedars that he's going to have. He also says there will be a startup with emergent technology. This is what he says. 3 big points. 2020 destination Bollywood, creative content, destination Hollywood, creative content, startup in emergent technology, and SSR's unshared dreams, all written down in his own writing in this paper. And he used to discuss this with his friends, brainstorming, and this is the way he would write down everything that was written. And this again, second page, entertainment, production house. And while he's talking about all of this, he actually pens down everything, and he talks about top writers and production house creation, idea development, everything being done in a very professional setup. And technology was a big part of it. He says team, one writer, our screening, team of writers, all of this coming up in the way he planned this out. Then he also goes on to the next page, and he looks at this. He says, next, it is the next implicate steps. What will he do with these steps? He says immediate steps that he needs to take: decide name, stake, capital, IP protection, legal team. He's thought it all out. That the immediate steps he has to decide is an IP protection as well. And he's talking about stake sales, and he's talking about capital that needs to be generation. He wants to make a name and a legal team. Identify best foreign films and writers. He wanted not just Indian writers, wanted to have a global look, because he was thinking of a Hollywood debut. He was planning it all. And technology, Rahul, was a big part of all of this, and
but
a startup.
They were labeling him a quitter all through. They said, oh, this gentleman, He is not. He had clear ideas about exiting life, and over the last 1.5 years, he was depressed, inward drawn. He had given up on life, etc., etc. But here is a creative man and a creative mind, Navika.
Absolutely. Creative man, creative mind. Now let's look at page 3. And page 3, he says, company formation. It will be the step 1 will be company formation, and that will be a creative company that he wants to set up. Step 2 will be explore FTII. So local talent, trained talent from FTII. He had great respect for them. Step 3, idea for first screening, execute, meet and lock. So he was making plans. He wanted to meet these people and he wanted it all done.
So he wanted a team of writers to come together to execute a concept which would then be produced into some sort of a maybe feature film or any other production. And therefore, viewers, you are seeing, what does he do? Idea for a first screening. So how it would be screened, marketed, presented to the public, that would be executed, meet and lock the people that he needed to bring into place to do all of this.
Absolutely. So while he's talking about company formation, exploring FTII, first screening, execution, meeting and locking, he's also setting up this step 5, which is content generation. And he was talking about content generation with the best minds in India and abroad to come up with this very radical, setup. And he was writing this diary in 2018, 2019 and projecting what he wanted to do in 2020. And these were his plans for 2020. It was not his plan to get depressed. It was not his plan. And all of this did not happen, just suddenly. Look at page 4.
But it was certainly not his plan to give up on life. And he wanted a grand life for himself. Something has gone wrong, viewers. Something, obviously, that changed it all.
Absolutely. And this man, technical training. He had friends from Delhi College of Engineering who were with him. They wanted to set up this name, the stakeholders, who will be the stakeholders, capital, IP protection, IP protection. He was thinking of those kind of details and all in his own handwriting. And he's talking about exclusivity. He's talking about permanent members which will come up.
And Navika, if you really look on top, right at top of this note, there are also names that he is homing in on who he could depend on to perhaps lead all of this.
Priyanka, his sister.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, we showed you at 9 p.m. yesterday the letter he wrote to Priyanka. She's a lawyer. He wanted her to be the head of all of this, the legal mind. He also talks about Megha Mehta. These are the two people that he's talking about who would be here. 3 weeks' time, he wanted to set all of this up. He wanted that this would take 3 weeks and, everything about IP protection, etc. would be done. And all step 3 permanent members also talks about how we need to execute and personal meetings have to be set up. Everything. Biggest writers around the world. This is all written here on page 4 of Sushant Singh Rajput's diary, and these notes are in his own writing, and he wants creative heads from across the world, and he wants this team to really be together
he wanted
in
to
a
pick out
space
the
of
best FTII talent.
And this was his project 2020.
Absolutely, and work with all these individuals. Now, all of this has never come out, viewers. Neither has the Mumbai police alluded to all of this. These are diaries.
They haven't even tried to find out,
They
Rahul.
haven't, most probably, and you're absolutely right, Navika. And, everyone has sort of fallen for this theory that Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide. How can an individual looking so far into the future, planning grand plans, and we haven't even come to the other big parts about his dreams of the net assets that he would require to launch all of this and how he's going to work towards getting that asset, as well as LA accommodation that he thought he'll get an LA pad, that's the word he used, and a Hollywood entry. So Navika, let's go over that also.
Yeah. This is screening process and how to form a team. And then this is asset creation, 50 crore fixed income. And he says there should be a core team
That's right,
and
in the center
LA
of it.
pad. LA Pad. He wanted a house in Los Angeles, and he was saying that Hollywood 2020. He wanted the LA Pad. He was talking about a core.
That's right. LA
team.
Pad is in that corner right there, in the corner extreme
That's
left.
right.
LA Pad.
Yeah,
right,
the
last
LA
line.
Pad is here,
That's right.
and he's talking about a fixed income, and he's talking about 50 crore that has to be put in. Top 50 thinkers need to come in. Hollywood 2020 keeps coming up. Fully functional studio as well, education, environment, all of these issues, and top 50 thinkers would be there. Fully functional Hollywood 2020, top 50 thinkers, planners in team, education and environment, cinema. He wanted these niche areas. Somebody who's thinking about education and environment as themes for cinema wasn't planning to give up. And brand building, income opportunities, money management. He's talking about brand building. He's talking about legal aspects. He's talking about income opportunities. He's talking about brand building and money managers, planning plus strategy, everything written down here. And the core team, its vision, his LA Pad, also fully functional.
So the core team was
Hollywood.
tasked with coming up with the assets and with a vision. And on the other side, of course, with brand building, create income opportunities and legal aspects as well as money management. So viewers, this is a working model of what his financial plan was. And Navika, he's putting it all together. This is like someone who is constructing the first steps, the shell, the skeletal structure.
Absolutely. He is setting up the structure. He is doing all of this at a time when he feels he wants to have this as a reality in 2020. And these notes are from 2018, 2019, and 2019 is also the time that in May, there are people who enter his life.
Absolutely.
And things change, not only on his personal front, but in his business front as well.
And once again, Navika, we must compliment Priyank Tripathi, who has dug deep and accessed these diaries and excerpted these pages, which just shed light on Sushant's vision for his own life going forward in 2020. These were big plans he had. And remember, the movies weren't drying up either. Navika, there were directors, producers talking to him just a few hours before he died. So he was already thinking, and that's why now it falls into place why he was asking for such a high fee. Because in his mind, he needed 50 crores. That's where he needed to be to get into this, to start these seed capital, to start these new ventures.
And then look at the way he's thinking. He's talking about upgrade my acting skills, language mastery, association with Hollywood. All of these are his targets. And he's talking about
his task for himself. That's right on the top of the page. He says this is his own
personal
targets,
milestones and targets that he's set up. And he's talking about improving his language, his the way he speaks, his
top
own
agency
acting,
in Hollywood.
acting skills. He wants to engage a Hollywood agent, cinema, education, environment. Again, education, environment, very key areas that he's interested in. This doesn't really look like something that he ever thought of getting fed up of or ending his life. He was planning for this. 50 crore on the table for setting up this company with a startup on technology with top minds who were writers from Hollywood, Bollywood, India and abroad. A core team led by his sister Priyanka, and she was somebody who was very dear to him, unlike what chats from Rhea Chakrabarti revealed, that he was calling her deep evil.
And look at how it comes together, Navika, under I. So, first he charts out the shell of what he wants to do, and then he brings it all together. Priyank Tripathi, viewers accessing this.
Before you go, I just want to show this page.
Yes.
And this is the way it appears. 2020 production, startup, lines drawn here. And then he goes on, and each of these pages, he very meticulously notes, and these are registers that he's taken, and he talks about an auxiliary team for effortless functioning of I till 2020. So his plans go on, projecting and stating how I will work till 2020, and that's the way he talks about his plans, his vision, and his milestones.